Welcome back to Placewise Nepal, your go-to channel for all the latest job opportunities in the IT industry. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel to stay updated on the latest job openings. Let's dive into the exciting job opportunity for front-end developers. Are you passionate about software development and creating cutting-edge solutions? NICAT is a rapidly growing software company that specializes in providing sustainable, maintainable, and customizable ERP planning solutions. At their core, they believe in software craftsmanship and strive to develop scalable products that effectively address real-world business challenges. To further enhance their team, they are looking for a talented front-end developer to join. As a front-end developer at their company, you'll play a crucial role in designing, developing, and testing UI for both mobile and web applications. Your responsibilities will include building reusable code and libraries for future use, as well as accurately translating user and business needs into functional front-end code. Your creative problem-solving skills will be put into the test as you contribute to the development of user-friendly and visually appealing interfaces. To be considered for these positions, you should meet the following qualifications: bachelor degree equivalent in the computer science, a minimum of 2 years of experience in front-end development, strong knowledge of React.js and its peripherals. In addition to the qualifications, the ideal candidate should possess the certain skills and competencies, strong development experience in JavaScript with a solid understanding of ES6 plus features and various JavaScript libraries, capability to convert wireframes into responsive design and code, experience with RESTful services and integration with external systems, proficiency in state management libraries such as Redux, Recoil, or React Context API to effectively manage the application state. Proficient in creating responsive and visually appealing user interfaces using React's component-based approach. Excellent understanding and experience of Material UI. Experience with React query will be considered a plus point. Ability to understand product requirements and translate them into technical requirements. Excellent written and verbal communication skills, which will be essential in ideating, prototyping, and providing thought leadership. As a valued member of the team, you will enjoy certain benefits: a 5-day work week to maintain a healthy work-life balance, complimentary lunch and breakfast to keep you energized throughout the day, a competitive salary starting from minimum of 60,000 Nepali currency with no limits for deserving candidates. So how can you apply to this job? I have provided the link to apply in the description of this video. Click on that and you will come to this interface. This is LinkedIn and this is the easy apply. If you click on that easy apply, all the information will be taken from your LinkedIn profile and your resume. If you have not uploaded the resume, upload your resume in LinkedIn, then you can directly submit. So this is a fantastic opportunity for front-end developers looking to make an impact in the software industry. If you meet the requirements and believe you have what it takes to thrive in their dynamic team, don't hesitate to apply. For more job updates and exciting opportunities, make sure to stay tuned to Placewise Nepal. Like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to our channel to stay informed about the latest openings. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next one.